Welcome to the section on automatic speech recognition with TensorFlow 2. We shall break down the speech recognition task into several tasks. The first one is speech transcription. So we suppose we have this kind of input signal, which is a sound wave representing an audio signal. So with this, we could transcribe this as if we give this, or if we give our system an input like this, we now transcribe it and we obtain the paper on which the printing is to be done is a necessary part of our subject. So this means we have an audio which has this as information, and that information is now transcribed into text. The other task related to speech recognition is that of a particular sound or trigger word detection. So suppose we have the trigger word "Hello Siri" we want to detect every time we get an input. Then we could build a model which could take whatever audio input, and then anytime we have this "Hello Siri" in that audio input, we are able to say that the trigger word "Hello Siri" has been detected. Apart from trigger words, we could also have spatial sounds, like say we want to detect whether a dog is barking, want to detect whether cars are moving around, whether people are singing. In that case, we're dealing with a model which doesn't specifically tell us that the people singing, for example, are singing a particular set of words, but we just tell us that people are singing. So it's kind of like a spatial sound detection system. Now, another way of looking at speech recognition is supposing we have this two inputs. So supposing we have this initial input in our database of a person whose audio signal or voice has been stored. Then later on we have this input which we'll use now to compare with this one and then say whether it's the same person or not. So it's kind of like a speech verification system. That said, in this course we shall focus on the speech transcription problem, where we shall get audio signals and the transcriptions and then train a model which, when given an audio signal, is able to transcribe or produce a transcription for that audio signal, like we just saw in this example where we have this output transcription right here.